Congratulations to mamas that just gave birth to their babies. These are 6 Nigerian stroke African foods you can eat to help you recover, produce more breast milk, and keep you healthy, and your baby will be bouncing. All right. Now, if you have not given birth to your baby, pick your pen and paper, write this down. When you give birth, start buying all these things and start eating them. All right. Number 1 is pepper soup. Yes, they will say, it will not reduce your tummy, which is true. Scientifically, there's no way it reduces tummy, but there's one thing that it does for you. It helps to reduce inflammation. It helps for easy digestion. It helps to keep you hydrated. Do you know that the spices that you use for this pepper soup also helps to burn some fat? So take pepper soup. You can use dry fish for your pepper soup. You can even use fresh fish. You can even add a little bit of yam and put all these our natural herbs like the one we call oziza, oda, ajumbise, depending on the one that you use in your locality. Make sure your mom, your mother-in-law, or your siblings, whoever is with you, cook this pepper soup for you after your delivery. Believe me, it's going to help you to recover, and it also boosts your breast milk production. So don't miss pepper soup, all right? Number 2, vegetable soup, especially the ones that contains pumpkin like ugu, water leaves, and even there's one leaf we call okazi. It's very common with the Calabar and Akwa Ibom people. Now, this vegetable soup will help to replace all the blood that you have lost during your childbirth. If you're not living in Nigeria and you're staying in other places where you have other vegetables, you can make a soup out of them and just eat. It will help you to recover. All right. Number 3 is pap, akamu, or ogi, depending on what you call it in your own place. But this is one of the fastest foods that postpartum mothers can take after delivery, especially when they are taking so long to prepare your meal. You can just take pap. You can fortify it with milk, fortify it with granite, but please go low on sugar. All right, you don't need excessive sugar. But pap is a go-to food for women that are breastfeeding. It contains a lot of water, although it's a carbohydrate-rich food, but taking it in moderation is okay. It contains a lot of water to help you keep you hydrated and even help you produce more milk. So when you give birth to your baby, or if you have given birth, make sure you try to take pap. All right, take enough pap. It will help you to recover. Number 4, this one people are not going to like it, but I know that a lot of women take it. Is beverages, aka tea. Is it that when you put all the cocoa and the milk together and make a full cup of tea for yourself? I would always preach moderation. All right, you can use Lipton top tea or any of these teas to help you to just add it with the milk. But if you want to take any of these cocoa products, please take but moderation should be key. Taking tea during postpartum will also help you. Remember, if you take it in excess, you will add a lot of weight. So once in a while is okay. All right. Then number 5 is Moimoi. Yes, Moimoi is rich. So that when you take Moimoi and pap, or you take Moimoi and tea, so it's when you finish, breast milk will just pump up. You will breastfeed your baby properly. See, all these foods are very affordable. They're not things that you have to break your bank or kill yourself for. Even on a tight budget, you can afford these things and make it little quantities and eat and still be looking fresh. All right. Then the last one I have here is oatmeal. So instead of swallowing eba or fufu, I would advise you grind oatmeal into powder, and then you make it as if you're making semo. Use it to eat your ogbono soup, egusi soup, vegetable soup, even the pepper soup. You can use it to eat the pepper soup. Now, oatmeal is very high in fiber. It will help in easy digestion, help to reduce constipation, contains a lot of nutrients, and it is very low in calories. So if you can consume oatmeal in your postpartum, did you know that oatmeal will help you lose weight? Because when you eat any food with oats, you are going to feel fuller for a long time, feel fresh, produce more milk. It will even make you less hungry. So you know how to cut down some weight. All right. So all these foods are very nutritious. There are other ones, but these are the ones I've listed for you to add to your day-to-day diet. Believe me, during your postpartum, this will help you to relieve stress and exhaustion, because when you eat well, you tend to recover faster. Okay. So every mother that has given birth, congratulations. Those that will soon give birth, I'm waiting to hear your good news. I am Nurse Nelo, always at your service. Don't forget to follow me if you're watching on Facebook and TikTok. And if you're watching me on YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in yet another good video.